Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to receive all the notifications. Imagine gazing at the night sky from a world now silent, a world that lives only in the memory of the universe. Far away, in the cosmic darkness, two gigantic galaxies move in a millennia-old ballet, guided by invisible forces. It might sound like the opening of a science fiction tale, but it's a real scene. A dance involving our galaxy, the Milky Way, and its imposing neighbor, Andromeda. For decades, we believed this dance was destined to end in a titanic embrace, an inevitable merger. But today, thanks to more precise tools and new simulation models, the story is changing. And with it, our understanding of the Milky Way's destiny. In the vastness of space, cosmic events seem to obey unerring laws. Galaxy collisions, for example, are not rare phenomena. The universe is full of them. However, when we talk about the Milky Way and Andromeda, we enter personal territory, because this is our home that might one day mingle with another. For years, we had little doubt. Hubble, the famous space telescope, had gathered compelling evidence that the collision would occur in about 4 to 5 billion years. Supporting this prediction was the observation that Andromeda was approaching us at roughly 110 kilometers per second, an impressive speed, yet compatible with the gravitational forces governing galaxies. In that classic vision, the collision was considered a fixed point on the cosmic calendar. An event that would transform both galaxies, giving birth to a new entity often called Milkomeda. Despite the spectacle of this hypothetical future, we wouldn't have any reason to worry. Our sun would already be in its terminal phase, and Earth, most likely, would no longer be habitable for billions of years. Yet, something has changed. New instruments like the Gaia Space Telescope, designed to map the positions and motions of stars with extreme precision, have added new pieces to the puzzle. Unlike Hubble, Gaia doesn't just observe the distant universe. It measures the movement of stars in our galaxy with unprecedented accuracy. And by combining Hubble's data with Gaia's, a group of researchers performed one of the most detailed cosmic simulations ever. The result? The apparent certainty of collision has turned into a possibility, and not even that high, around 50%. In other words, it's almost equally likely that the Milky Way and Andromeda will merely pass by each other without ever merging. How did this radical reversal happen? The secret lies in complexity. Our corner of the universe, called the local group, isn't occupied by just two galaxies. Other gravitational players like the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, and the Large Magellanic Cloud, play decisive roles. Their influence, overlooked in early models, profoundly changes the trajectory and fate of our galactic system. M33, gravitationally bound to Andromeda, exerts a pull that could propel Andromeda toward the Milky Way, increasing collision odds. But the Large Magellanic Cloud, much closer to our galaxy, acts like a rope pulling us away from a potential collision course. Two opposing forces, two possible futures. And the fascinating thing is that, to reach these conclusions, researchers didn't rely on just one simulation. They ran 100,000 of them. In each, key parameters were altered: masses, velocities, trajectories, dark matter distribution. Every slight variation generated a different future, a possible alternative in the history of the universe. In half the simulations, the galaxies came close enough to begin orbiting one another, eventually merging into a single structure. In the other half, they passed at a distance, never making direct contact. Like two dancers who never touch, yet move to the same gravitational rhythm. Surprisingly, the classical scenario, that of a direct, head-on, catastrophic collision, turned out to be the least likely of all. It appeared in only 1 to 2% of the simulations. A minuscule number that radically changes our perception of the future. Not only that, but according to new estimates, a complete merger between the Milky Way and Andromeda, if it occurs, would take not 4 to 5 billion years, but at least 7 to 8 billion. And it doesn't end there. While the Milky Way and Andromeda ponder a possible future encounter, other mergers are already happening. For example, the Large Magellanic Cloud is destined to merge with our galaxy within the next billion years. An event that, unlike the distant merger with Andromeda, could have direct effects on our cosmic environment. Alterations in stellar motions, new cycles of star formation, and perhaps perturbations in our own solar system. M33, on the other hand, will likely merge with Andromeda before the latter decides whether to unite with our galaxy. This network of interactions shows how far from simple galactic destiny is. Every celestial body, every cloud of dark matter, every satellite galaxy contributes with its own gravitational influence to writing the future. And like in a gigantic cosmic domino, a small initial change can completely rewrite the ending. At the heart of this cosmic uncertainty lies a profound lesson about the nature of knowledge itself. The more precise our instruments become, the more we realize how complex the system we're trying to understand is. It's a fascinating paradox. More accurate data doesn't offer clearer answers, it raises new questions. It shows us how delicate the balance between certainty and doubt really is. When considering gravitational interactions among tens of celestial objects, with masses approaching 1 trillion times that of the Sun, even an infinitesimal variation in speed or direction can mean the difference between a spectacular fusion and an eternal dance without contact. To make the matter even more intricate, there is dark matter. Invisible yet omnipresent, it accounts for about 85% of the local group's mass. Galaxies aren't just what we can see, they are wrapped in gigantic halos of dark matter that extend far beyond visible boundaries. When two galaxies approach, it's not just stars and gas interacting, but especially those halos. Dark matter creates gravitational drag, slows down motion, and facilitates merger. But since we cannot observe it directly, we must infer its properties from how it influences the movement of visible objects. And every new piece of information on the distribution or density of dark matter can rewrite the entire narrative. This is precisely where the importance of models and simulations comes in. They are the only tool we have to travel through cosmic time. The 100,000 simulations of the new study aren't just numbers on a screen. They are virtual experiments in which we retry and replay the future of the local universe, as if we could rewind and re-roll the dice of galactic history. In some of these futures, the Milky Way and Andromeda merge into a giant spiral, with a dense core and long arms rich in new stars. In others, they brush past each other several times, generating streams of stars torn out and cast into intergalactic space. In yet others, the distance remains too large to allow any real contact, and the two galaxies remain forever solitary queens within their own realms of emptiness. There is something poetic in all this. A future no longer written, but suspended among many possibilities. A fate that depends on details we still struggle to grasp clearly today. And there is something deeply human too. The desire to know, to understand, to anticipate what will come, even in the immensity of time and space. Yet this new uncertainty is not a failure. It's, on the contrary, a sign of the maturity of our science. Accepting that absolute certainties do not exist in astronomy, especially when speaking of timescales of billions of years, is a step forward, not backward. It means embracing the complexity of the cosmos, recognizing that the universe is not a perfectly predictable machine, but a dynamic, chaotic system, where even the most solid laws must reckon with the unpredictable. And if the collision with Andromeda never happens, it wouldn't make our future any less fascinating. On the contrary, each alternative scenario opens new questions. How will the structure of the Milky Way change after merging with the Large Magellanic Cloud? What new stars will form? Will there be regions more favorable to the creation of new planetary systems? And if Andromeda merely brushes past us without touching, what impact will its gravity have on our solar system? Even our Sun, which today appears so stable, will play a starring role in the cosmic drama. In about 1 billion years, it will begin shining more intensely, making Earth progressively uninhabitable. Then, around 5 billion years from now, it will enter the red giant phase, engulfing Mercury and possibly even Venus. The solar system itself will be in full evolution as the galaxies draw nearer. If our system happens to find itself at the margins of a galactic merger, it could be flung away like a pebble from a gravitational slingshot, ending up in the darkness of intergalactic space. All this shows us how much the fate of the universe is tied to delicate balances. We are not distant spectators of an inevitable event, but part of a complex mosaic in which every element can make a difference. The beauty of this cosmic narrative lies precisely in its unpredictability. It is no longer the story of a certain collision, but that of a possible, and perhaps missed, encounter. And at the end of the day, this uncertainty is nothing more than a reflection of our own journey and knowledge. The farther we look, the more we discover how much there is still to learn. The universe, with its vastness and its mysteries, teaches us that science is not made only of answers, but above all of questions. Questions that drive our species to explore, to observe, to understand. In the great silence of the cosmos, every galaxy is a note in a symphony we have yet to know. Perhaps the Milky Way and Andromeda will never merge. Perhaps they will dance together forever, maintaining their distance. Or perhaps, in an even more remote future, something will change again, and what today seems unlikely will once again appear inevitable. But whatever the ending, the journey to discover it will be one of the most extraordinary adventures of human intelligence.